Hi, I'm an AI clone, and I'm here to tell you why you shouldn't join Four Rooms Mastermind.
It's a big group of successful, friendly humans that are confirmed million-dollar businesses and make lots of money together. I mean, listen to this nonsense.
Right now, I can walk into the room and shake anybody's hand and know that they bring something of extreme value to me, and I will be able to do the same for them. This is the only mastermind that I've ever been a part of where I can say that that's true.
Four Rooms is a different level of people. You know, people who do 10, 20, 50, 100 million.
We closed a $50K deal through a strategy that someone shared in October. That's a couple months in. So that's more than paid for my investment in the program, and we're just getting started.
See, isn't that awful? And the worst part, they go to all of these awesome places, have fun, and strike deals. Who would want to do that?
Okay, all right. I'm just jealous because I'm an AI robot and can't join Four Rooms Mastermind. They said only humans are allowed. So mean. But if you're a 7 or 8 figure entrepreneur who wants to be in the room with other high-level entrepreneurs, I guess you can go ahead and book a call below. I'll just be here not making money with anyone, sitting at a mastermind table alone with these guys instead of real humans.
I hate you, Four Rooms Mastermind!